Yeah, can't stop, won't stop, that's my anthem now. I get my funds up with my bros, it's one band, one sound. A pie to eat off and feast a meal that's fit for a king. Cause if you give somebody a piece and he'll eat for a week. But if you teach a man to fish and he can hand some down. Ho say I'm handsome, but if I don't hand some over, she has a tantrum. How? If I know for a fact that I ain't toxic, but I wouldn't go as far to say that I'm spotless. You feel me or not? I'm not Howie Mandel, but I deal with a lot. I used to pop tags, but only when we clear and shop at the Foreman Mills. You know the drill, my cup is half full, but somehow overfilled. See, look, chop it down, chop, chop, chop it down. When my cousin Renzi died, boy, I circled the block for miles. But it was the fentanyl. Wish I could've talked him off the edge before he fell, but what the hell? Here come the sound of the bell.